7 months ago, if someone told me that today I'd be running a food business that started from my small kitchen in my home, I would definitely say it's not true. But yeah, that is where I am right now. It all started here in my home kitchen exactly 7 months ago, and it has grown to a physical location now. But yeah, in this video guys, we catch up a little bit, and to the first time viewers, you're very much welcome to this channel. I'm Mary the Share Lady. To the returning viewers, thank you so much for always supporting my channel, my content as we grow together. I'm now no longer a stay-at-home mom. I'm a working mom and a business owner now, and a lot of things have changed about myself. And yeah, we just talk about my food business that started here. And in this video, I made sure to prepare this video for you guys to show you how it started. And as I made this video, it was around within the second month of starting the food business that I ran from home for about 5 months. And since the beginning of this year, January, I transitioned to a physical location, and now I own a small I don't know what to call it, a cafe or a small restaurant with employees. Right now it has been a very speedy process. It has grown quickly, and I'm so thankful to be where I am today. But most importantly, it's having you here with me today. So I hope this video motivates someone, and especially a stay-at-home mom, yeah, someone looking forward to start something for themselves. I hope that this video will motivate you in a way, not only for stay-at-home moms, for someone out there. I hope you will gain something from this video. On the menu today, it will be some peas stew and chapatis. And yeah, I like to get started with preparing the ingredients. This will definitely simplify the whole process of cooking. Yeah, it takes some time to prepare the ingredients, yes, but when it comes now to the cooking, it will make it very fast and very easy. So yeah, I started cooking from home, and it started in a very funny way because I was just making some lunch for a few friends that I have made since I relocated into this town. It's now almost 2 years since we relocated here, and I made a few friends who own business near where I stay. And yeah, it started off with me making some lunch for them, and through them I got referrals, and people started to come into the group. And what happens is every day I make something, and just interacting with the customers that I have now learned what is their preference and try to bring it to one meal a day. So this only goes for lunch only, so I get to make lunch. And every day I have to wake up and go and count the exact number of people that will be taking lunch from me. And I like to do this to avoid wastage and to make sure that, you know, everyone is in. Yeah. Yeah, so basically that's just how it started. Yeah, so over here I have some chapati dough that I had also prepped early, Yeah, so the key thing here is to make sure that everything is prepped, and once the cooking starts, it's cooking throughout. And then after I'm done with the cooking, we'll move straight into packing the orders. And at this point, I had no help. I was doing all this by myself, and also making sure that I'm keeping up with my home and the house chores and everything else. So I was committing the morning hours to prepping and also making sure that the home is clean and all, and then committing the afternoon hours to delivering the food and all that. So in the beginning, I was a bit scared because I've never done this before, and especially when it comes to the pricing part. I cannot exactly say if it's hard or it's easy. It depends with an individual. And I think for something that you're passionate about, there's always the way it seems to be so easy. So I've always been so passionate about cooking, but I never thought of doing it as a business. And I guess this is the part where it now simplifies the whole thing now. Yeah, the passion part. You have to be passionate about something, and especially that the business that you're venturing into. Yes, in the beginning, I didn't start for it to become a business, but with time, it has defined itself. And every day I get to learn new things. Every day is a learning thing. Sorry, every day is a learning day. I get to learn new things each and every day. And all I can say, if you're looking forward to starting a business, don't be scared. Just believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. And yeah, just start. The way they say, just start. And with time, you will learn in the process. Don't be afraid. You get to learn in the process, because for me, I've learned a lot of things in the process. And this is what has led me, I guess, to the growth and all that. So this is the finishing part, where now I have to pack the orders. So the customers trust me to pick what they will have for that day. Yeah, from the interactions, by now I knew what people prefer, what they didn't like, and all that. So yeah, everyone was okay with what I was making. I never had issues with anyone. And yeah, the delivery part consumes a lot of time, but I used to do it. So I cannot share everything in this video. Make sure to catch me up on the next one, and I'll be sharing bits and bits of what I have learned up to this point. But yeah, thank you so much for your time, and yes, I will be seeing you on the next video.
Something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly and wordlessly. Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of